Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. We are back in our journey to learn modern AI Python. In the previous video, we talked about integers and float, both of which are a class of data types for number to display numeric values. Today, we are going to discuss the Boolean values, another very powerful feature of programming languages. So, are you with me? Let's dive in. So, for example, we make a Boolean value, a truth Boolean value. There can be only two types of Boolean value, yes or no, true or false, 0 or 1. It is like on or off. So make it is happy. You can say true. Now we can make another Boolean value, is false, is sad. You can say no, I am not sad, I am happy. That's why the Boolean value of is sad is false. To know whether the variable is a Boolean value, we can type function and add the variable into it. This will show us what is the type of this variable. Now, how these Boolean values are used in Python. Boolean values help us make decisions in the conditional statements. What are conditional statements? They start with if, and they give you options. On the basis of those options, you can decide whether to do this or this. So, for example, you say if Hussein is happy, print he is going to eat the dinner. And if is sad, he is going to eat the lunch. And you can say if both and is sad, if it is and it is not sad, you can say if it is happy and it is not sad, he will do this. And if it is only is sad, he will do this. And if there is nothing, he is not happy and he is not also sad, you can say else he is going to sleep. So in this way, you can employ the Boolean values to make decisions in program. You can make case studies and let the machine decide how it will react when it will face certain situations. This is the most powerful feature that has paved the way for machines to automate our lives, and the basis of those automation is indeed the Boolean values. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video with another lesson. Thank you.